Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be one of the videos that I haven't done in so freaking long. It's the old school what's in my bag video, and as you guys saw, I did get a fake Louis Vuitton. It's the Speedy 25, and yes, it is fake. I'm not ashamed of saying that it's fake. It's a replica. I mean, I only got it for $20. So, yeah, I'm not ashamed. I even tell them in person when someone tells me in the street, it's like, oh, nice Louis. I'm like, oh, it's fake. It's fake. Because I'm not ashamed of it. I'm not ashamed of saying that it's fake. So, here it is. I've been using it for quite some time now. So I just want to show you guys what I have in my bag at the moment. There's a chicken hitting the wall right now. I don't know why, but I don't know. So let's just get right into what's in my bag. Yeah. Alright, so it's a Speedy 25. This is how it looks. It's the one with the strap, which is really convenient, to be honest. And this is how it looks on the inside at the moment. I have a lot of stuff right now. So, let's see. I have not cleaned my bag in so long. I actually was using it for my externship, so I would just put snacks in here and drinks and all this other fun stuff. So yeah, so first thing I pull out is my glasses baggie. And yes, I finally got glasses. These are my prescription glasses, and they're from the Bulgari brand, and this is how they look. Has a little logo on the side, and I like how it's frameless. So yeah, this is the baggie, and this is the case. I like how the case is like no ordinary case. It's just like a round one, Bulgari right there. So yeah, next thing is receipts. These are CVS receipts, and these are the coupons part of it, and they all expired already, so I don't even know why I have these. I mean, they were pretty good. $2 off for CVS health brands, $1 off Sobe, Aquafina, and Life Water, $3 off of a $50 purchase of vitamins, $4 off of a $10 razors, and $4 off of a facial care. So these are bad already. Next thing is my school ID. This is my school ID, and I was going to school for medical administration assistant. I am pretty much done with my externship, so pretty much once I grad out, I can start applying to other places, which is good. I need a really good career job, so hopefully wherever I end up, it turns out really great. So this is my school ID. I mean, I didn't look that bad. I look good. Yes. Next thing is my wallet. This is my wallet. It's been with me for a couple of years. It hasn't been that long. It's like, I would say probably 3-4 years. My wallet. Got a picture of me with my fiance. You could probably see mainly me. You see him more. And my ID picture right there as well. Damn, I look good. So yeah, I don't carry cash because I'm broke. So yes, I have another glasses wipe thingy. This is a Gucci one. This is actually my fiance's. He actually left it, and it is made in Italy. Italy. It was made in Italy. Yes. Some tissues. I got tissues. The tissues. Because you never know when you have a runny nose, you know? Or like your little sister, like my little sister and stuff. Got a lip gloss. I had this lip gloss for so long. I'm not gonna lie. It's probably already straight out expired. I could barely see that number though. But I mean, it's still glossy. I mean, it's already going away. But yeah, I had this for a while. It's a Maybelline New York lip gloss. More receipts. And this is the actual receipt from CVS. I bought a Wet n Wild mascara, Wet n Wild Mega Slick Liquid Lip. What? A Wet n Wild Mega Slick. I don't even know what I bought. I know a mascara. And Scotch Bubble mailer package. So this is that one. Let's see. Gum for them stinky breaths. And also because after lunch on my externship, I will end up getting super duper tired. So gum actually helped me stay awake. So chewing gum, and it's the extra long-lasting flavor Winter Fresh, and it's not long-lasting. I'm just saying that it's not. My little monedero, and this here I carry my coins, which I don't have any anymore. They're probably just wandering around in the purse right now, but the ones I had there are gone already. So yeah, a mascara, and this is the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit, and it's actually the mini mascara. This is actually pretty good right now. It's like really watery, so I don't really use it that much because I don't like it when mascaras are really watery, because then it gets on your lower lash and all of that fun stuff, you know. Next thing is my keys. I actually pulled it from my little unicorn, which I need to clean. You squish it and the little eyes pop out. They'll pop up. So yeah, I got the car key, the car button. I think this is a house key. And like a whole bunch of little, this is for the school student lounge for the food. This is CVS, Big Lots, Walgreens, and the San Diego County Library. I don't know if this is mine or Jonathan's. Probably Jonathan's. So yeah, and my little pom-pom. So those are my keys. And some lotion. This is a 24-hour Ultra Chia body cream. So this is like this. It looks like this from Bath and Body Works. There we go. It actually smells really good. But right now I have really sensitive smells, so if I put it on or anything, I start like getting nauseous. So no. My lip gloss with agreñe on it. So this is the liquid lip smacker in cotton candy, and it's actually smells like cotton candy. I've actually been really into lip gloss lately. I don't know why. I don't like when my hair gets stuck on it, but I like my lips glossy. I have another receipt, and I think I'm not sure what this was for. Oh, it's Carl's Jr. So food, it was $7.52. Yeah. I don't know what I bought though. San Diego Safari Park, and this is when I went on the school field trip on March 13th to the San Diego Zoo. And then an appointment coming up and another appointment coming up. So this one's first and then this one. I have this Monopoly lottery thing. Well, it's not lottery, but yeah, I don't know what this is from. Trash. Here is another appointment one that I already passed, so this could go to the trash as well. Just to let you guys know, I do have a trash can like right there, so I'm not just throwing it on the ground. Some of it is landing on the ground, but yeah. A lipstick, and this is a suede lipstick. It's not liquid matte, but it's not a gloss either. It's just suede. Yes. And it's nude. It's in the shade Soft Spoken. Ooh. Ooh. And I have some palillos. They're on their little packaging. I don't know if that's probably it. Yeah, I think that's it. So I got some palillos. Got a highlighter. You can never go wrong with a highlighter. My favorite one is actually a blue one, but for work, you need a yellow one. A highlighter. And a little mini Canada Dry Ginger Ale for them nausea. Oh, when I get thirsty as well, because it doesn't really help for nausea. Yeah. Also, what is this? Oh, this is like a clinic that I might apply to. I think that's almost it. Another CVS coupon, but it's already expired. Yes, it expired on the Mexican Mother's Day. And a whole bunch, oh, with cough drops. A whole bunch of change with cough drops, which they're really bad already. So I'm gonna put these change before I forget in my little pocket. In my little pocket. My little monedero. Oh, there's more. There is more. Wait, I think this is a Canada one. I don't think this is a US. Oh, yeah, it is a US. Never mind. So, bloop. So that's, okay, that's it. Now that's it. Of the change. So that was a big pocket right there. Now the little pocket. It does have a little pocket right here. So this is where I keep some receipts. I did return something on Amazon, so this is the receipt for it. Food for less. The UPS, something I mailed out as well. Food for less. What's this? A coupon for the Ensure milk. This one doesn't expire till July, so I still have 2 more months. So, and I save $1 off on any 2 Ensure multi-packs. Okay, got that. Got a tampon. Another tampon. Another tampon. And these are the Super Plus. Yeah. And Pima. Another appointment that already passed, so I could throw that away. And this is just from the last appointment I had. So yes, and that is it for the little one as well. So as you can see, my bag is empty already. Yes, it's empty. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it on what's in my bag. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are liking that I am starting to bring more videos for you guys. And in a way about these videos is I get to clean my bag as well. So yes, that's a good thing. So yeah, just let me know what other videos you guys want me to do, and I will do them. The only video I haven't been doing, and I do get requested to do it, is the what's in my phone. I don't really have that much stuff in my phone. It's still the same things, but if you guys really do want to see it, I'll do it. I still do have the Galaxy S7. I haven't updated my phone since then. So yeah, if you guys really do want to see it, I don't have anything new, but I'll show you guys if you want to see it. So just let me know. If not, just let me know any other videos and I'll make sure to do them. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video.